Hello and welcome. How are we all doing? Hope you're all doing okay and having a great time. So today it's a little bit exciting for me. It's new car day. It's probably not what you're expecting either. Yes, come with us. We're going to leave it as a surprise. I'll try and film bits and bobs of it when we're in the place buying a new car. Yes, and I'll explain why I'm changing new cars as well throughout the video. Yes, so come with us. Next thing, we're going to be getting in the car, because Lydia's mum's coming with us. In fact, I think she's driving us there as well. We're child free, kids are in school, Indy's in nursery. So come with us as we go to So here we go, big reveal. Little Hyundai i10. Nothing spectacular, but it's to get me to and from work, and we've got plans for it in a couple of years' time as well anyway. So yes, we'll do a little tour once we've signed the paperwork for it, and happy days. Our new little runaround. New car day. Happy days. First start. Let's move it down. There's a little thing at the front. Slip the clutch. I love you, Lydia. So there we go. New car is here. Back in good old Planet Fanny. Thought I'd take it for a couple of little photo shots, and yeah, quite happy with it. There's a few little things wrong with it I don't like. That is a brand new car. As said, the reason behind getting a new car is because the old car, my Chrysler, was a great car, it done the job, but it was just bloody expensive to run. I was getting 18 miles to a gallon, and it just wasn't the greatest. I didn't trust it to go too far a distance either. So all this kind of makes sense that even though this is a little bit more money per month, it's cheaper to run in the long run. We don't have to worry about repair costs, because obviously it's a brand new car, so we get warranty and go guarantee. Miles to a gallon is much less. I mean much more, sorry. Also the insurance is cheaper, and we've got plans for in a couple of years time, but I won't get on to that just yet. And yeah, so we'll give you a full review of it on another day, the things I like about it and the things I don't like about it, which within the last couple of days, because it's a couple of days later, I've noticed some things I don't like. It really frustrates me. But it's still better and cheaper than the other car. It's much more reliable, and it will do for the needs, and I can pop down to Ashford more often to see my kiddies. Yes, so anyway, thank you for now. Please like, share and subscribe if you are enjoying the video. Anyway, thank you very much. Goodbye. Adios amigos. Buenos noches.